Hello everyone, my name is Blake Maris. I'm a technical consultant with Ingram Micro on the Data Center Force team, and today we're going to talk about application modernization and microservices, and why you as a partner may be interested in this new emergent technology. So in order to understand what's leading to the modernization of applications, we must understand some of the problems associated with legacy applications today. So traditionally, legacy applications has had a monolithic and linear approach. So if you're not sure what that might mean, that's not all that different from the way we read a book, right? Left to right, top to bottom. Well, the problem with this is this can turn into large coding libraries and thousands of lines of code, right? Which can get pretty complex pretty shortly, especially as a lot of applications now are running on distributed systems across multiple platforms. Well, now we're seeing this new emergent technology where applications actually have more of a horizontal decoupled approach, and we do this through a concept called microservices. And essentially what we're doing is we're taking just certain functions of codes and kind of purposely siloing them. And what has allowed us to do this is this new emerging technology known as containerization. And by taking these functions and being able to containerize them, we're able to run them across multiple platforms and different, hybrid data centers, cloud, public cloud, private cloud, etc., regardless of the platform. And we're able to move all these containers around, spin them up, tear them down. And this is really a powerful tool for application developers. This also makes microservices also makes getting applications to market a lot easier and a lot faster, because the development teams are only responsible for a particular function of code. So for example, let's just take a simple web store. You will have billing information, shipping information, and a web UI, for example. And then maybe there's a database, for example, or some kind of gateway, API gateway that you got to work on, or different functions in the application. And essentially, those teams are just going to worry about that function. They're not going to focus necessarily on anything else. This makes troubleshooting a lot easier, because now if there's a problem with the web UI team goes in and fixes those functions. They maybe tear down the old container that was causing problems and they spin a new one up, and it's as if nothing ever happened to the application. So what kind of opportunity is there for you as a partner? Well, first of all, it's an emergent technology with low market saturation. So with any new technology, naturally this technology hasn't been commoditized yet, and it's expected to grow. There's an opportunity to bridge the gap between administrators and application developers. A lot of application developers use a lot of public cloud, because they want to get their application as quickly as they can. Well, now this kind of allows administrators to have bridge that gap between those two teams, so that administrators can have some control over the environments while the developers can still do their job. The market is also expected to grow by 26.5% by 2025, according to Gartner. And of course, there's an opportunity to sell margin-rich application deployment services, development services, and professional services. And of course, there's actually in this space, because a lot of it has started as open source, and there's a wide array of vendor options and solutions available. There's a very large ecosystem out there when it comes to deploying containers and microservices. So thank you for joining me today. For more information, please visit Ingram Micro Data Center Solutions in the links below, and also check out our playbooks for more information. And thank you for your time.